Video conferencing. Once it may have been a convenience. Today, you can't do business without it. That's why it's time for a device designed to do what a laptop can't. Make virtual meetings and collaboration work to their full potential, so you and your business can do the same. The Crestron Flex Phone with Microsoft Teams software is that revolutionary device. At the heart of the Crestron Flex Phone is an extra-wide, high-resolution touchscreen sized to eliminate clutter and confusion. An intelligent HD camera paired with a microphone array ensures you and your colleagues are seen and heard with cinematic clarity. High-fidelity speakers deliver rich sound, while a single touch delivers unmatched ease to launch, lead, or join a meeting, all seamlessly integrated with the features you need to manage your day. Each and every phone easily and remotely managed from Crestron XIO Cloud. The Crestron Flex Phone with Microsoft Teams. Video conferencing has reached its potential.